In this clip, Session 2, Part 3, the activities include naming fractional parts and mystery fractions.
Okay, most of you all were talking about the fractional parts, and if I can have some volunteers come up and tell us what's the fractional name for red. We're going to start off with red. Shamaya is going to explain to us how she came up with 1/5. Okay, Shamaya, here are all your pieces. I need you to demonstrate for everyone, please, how you came up with 1/5.
Okay, out of red, the numerator is going to be 4, but 4 out of 20 because in all we have 20 pieces. So when you reduce that down, we had to figure out what times what give you 20 and how you get it, and we got 5 times 4 gives you 20, so we did 1/5.
Okay, could you show us 1 out of 5 groups being red? Could you show us that?
1 out of 5.
Can you show us 1 out of 5 groups being red? Look, how many you have here?
4.
You have 4. Make all the groups have 4 in it. Okay. All right. Shamaya's going to tell us what she had at first. What did you first see? That first fraction that you saw, that you taught us.
This?
The first thing you said.
I saw 4/20.
She saw 4 out of 20. And why you see? How did you see 4 out of 20?
The number in red is 4, and the denominator is going to be 20.
Okay. She said it was 4 red tiles out of 20 tiles in all. Okay. And she told us that she reduced to come up with 1 out of 5. Do you see the groups now? Do you see 1 out of 5 groups in red? All right. Good job. Thank you, Shamaya. All right. Chance is going to talk to us about the blue. Okay.
I got 5 20s.
Okay.
So
How did you come up with 5 out of 20?
So I put 5 in the groups, in each group.
Try to put all the colors together. Change that blue with that yellow up at the top. Okay. Chance say that he saw 5 blue tiles out of the entire 20. That's how he came up with 5 out of 20. Then how many groups did you just make?
4. No. 4.
He just made 4 groups. How many groups are fully blue?
1.
1. He has 1 out of 4 groups being blue.
And I put it in simplest form, 1/4.
Okay? He said that this was simplest form, 1/4. Okay? Good job. Like 3/20 in the previous example have no equivalent names. Why couldn't they find another fraction for 3/20? It was only 3 in the number. It's an odd number. Okay.
It was in lowest form.
It was already in simplest form. Okay. Good. Okay. When a color has several equivalent names, like the red, which Shamaya did, she said 4 out of 20 and 1/5. What fraction do you think is the easiest to work with? And why might it be the simplest? Which fraction, would 4/20 or 1/5 be the easiest to explain to a child? Okay, for red, we had 4/20, we had 4 out of 20 or 1/5. Which fraction name would be the easiest to work with? Chance?
1/5.
Why you say 1/5? Maybe a little bit harder. Okay, Xander. Four over 20. Uh-huh. It's a basic fraction. Okay, cool. Okay, now we're going to solve a different kind of problem. Instead of being told how many tiles each color will have, you'll be given a fraction. You have to determine how many tiles to take out. Okay, we're going to start off with it will be half red, 1/5 will be blue, and 3/10 will be yellow. Half will be red. I'm not telling you how many tiles. Half of this will be red. 1/5 would be blue. And 3/10 will be yellow. Half will be red. 1/5 would be blue. And 3/10 will be yellow. I can't tell you the tiles. I give you the fraction part. Half of your group is red. 1/5 of it is blue. And 3/10 is yellow. So you have to figure out how many tiles. Ready? We have Alexis and Alyssa. They are going to talk about what they found to be half red, 1/5 blue, and 3 out of 10 yellow. Okay, ladies, tell us what you did.
This is your blue. We did how many groups?
One.
No, how many groups? Count the groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups, and 1 group is blue.
Okay?
So that's 1/5,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. And then you have to move them half red. There's 2 groups of 5. So that's 1/2. 2 groups and 1 group of red, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yellow. There's 3 yellow
2 blue.
and 10 chips and all. Which you can keep it together, but that's 3/10 yellow.
Okay, good job. Thank you all.
Right?
Thank you. Okay, you're going to turn in your handout to the second page. It says BLM 11. You're going to work in groups to figure out the amount of tiles that you will have. You're going to find a collection of color tiles to fit each description below. It's the second page in your packet. You're going to write the equivalent fraction name for each color using the total number of tiles as the denominator. Okay, so your first set, you're going to have half blue, 1/4
The NCTM Problem Solving Standard states that students should be able to build new mathematical knowledge through problem solving and be able to apply and adapt a variety of appropriate strategies to solve problems. To reflect on this session, start by thinking about the problem